The Franke USA Single Bowl Sink Granite 9-inch Deep Sink. A single bowl with a bit of a design, this large bowl uses granite and a curved design to fit into modern kitchens. The quality and durability of this sink are exceptions. The hard components of Franke USA Single Bowl Sink Granite 9-inch Deep Sink make it both scratch and trip resistance. It's even stain resistance, but can get water spots. To keep your sink in top shape, use a mild granite cleaner. The installation options include installing as a top mount or undermount sink, but for either, professional installation is best. A plumber can easily put this sink in a short period of time. The best part about this sink is that its non-porous nature prevents the presence of bacterial odors and helps reduce growth. If you have concerns about sanitary sink conditions, give this sink your consideration.